Today is 8:20 early in the morning Norwegian time. Let's make the breakfast. Nag-fry lang akong bacon. This is the bacon. And then potato with ham. Of course, meron tayong tomato beans. And later on, gagawa tayong fried egg. So this is it guys. Ano na yung siya, luto na yung natin, yung bacon. Marami siyang oil. And then ilipat na natin sa panglagyan. So lagyan. So ito yung bowl, lagyan ko siya ng kitchen. And then ilagay natin dito dahil ma-oil siya. Ayan. And this is it. Ano natin yung temperature na mag-fry dahil tayong egg. Ilagay natin yung oil dito para hindi siya maraming oil. And then mag-fry tayong egg. That is it guys. Fry egg tayo. Anuhin natin, hugasan muna natin para hindi siya madumi. So that is it. And then mayroon tayong egg dito. Yung medium temperature. Sunny side up egg tayo guys. Lima kami kasi guys, 5. So, let's make 5 egg. So, ito na yung breakfast natin. So this is Sunday morning breakfast. Mayroon tayo sunny side egg, of course my tomato beans, of course ham, and potato chop with ham. Of course mayroon tayong, hindi mawawala yung bacon guys. That is it. Yeah. So it is breakfast for today. Magandang weather ngayon pero malamig guys, nag-snow. And then yung makita yung palibot, nag-blue sky na siya. Is almost 8:15. It's there. And then tingnan mo yung my husband. Here's paparazzi. Yes, we are. Here's my breakfast. Chopped potato, bacon, egg, and this tomato beans. So let's see. Eating time na tayo guys. It is my Sunday breakfast every Sunday. Yummy. Kain muna tayong breakfast and see you later. Outside guys. 8:13 early in the morning. Ito yung outside. Today it's Sunday. That is 4 Advent candle today. So natin yung first candle Advent, second candle, and the third one. And the last one is for candle light. That is Christmas is coming soon. Almost to this ready to go. It's Christmas. So this is it.